This video, I'm going to show you how you can disable read status on your TikTok account. By disabling read status, it means people will not know whether you have read their messages. So if you don't want the read status to be displayed, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and disable read status on your TikTok account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account. And once you're logged in, head to profile and then go to these three lines and click on them. From here, go to settings and privacy. And under this, go under account. You should see privacy here. If you tap on privacy, now you have an option under interactions called direct messages. From here, tap on it and you can see currently read status is turned on. You're told people can see when you have read their messages. They will know when you read their messages only when both of you turn this on. So to disable this, go ahead and toggle it off. And from now henceforth, anyone who direct messages you will not know whenever you have read their messages unless you go ahead and turn this read status on again. So that's how you can turn off read status on your TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.